What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to get one of those cool looking QR codes that you've seen all over Instagram so people can just scan it and automatically add your Instagram. Once you have the app open, you're just going to hit the profile picture in the bottom right corner, then the three lines in the top right corner. And then from here you should see a little button for QR code. And then as you can see, your QR code pops up. And you can play around with the features for this. There's a ton of different things that you could do, like have emojis in the background, or even have your selfie in the background, or a bunch of different colors. But once you have it all set, it doesn't really matter what you have for the background. The code itself isn't going to change. And then whenever someone wants to add your Instagram, or perhaps you want to make stickers or flyers, you could just add this QR code on there, and then when somebody scans it, it's going to take you straight to the Instagram page as if it were a link for any other QR code. If you have any questions or need help with this tutorial, please comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.